For over 25 years on the world market, today TecnoIdea Impianti represents the state-of-the-art in the field of anti-pollution technology for water purification and dehydration of the sludge coming from industrial production processes. In particular, it is the medium and large companies involved in stone extraction and washing that today need customized solutions for the problem of sludge disposal and water recovery. For the production of this film, two TecnoIdea Impianti facilities have been chosen, each different to the other, but particularly significant when it comes down to the technical solutions utilized. Both, located in the north of Italy, represent a point of reference for the sector. They treat both crushed material and natural stone, with a volume of water used in the washing plant in the order of 360 and 720 cubic meters per hour. The high-pressure washing of the aggregate allows the elimination of every residue of the surface working of the stone. The thin film of earth and other impurities covering the stone are carefully removed by the action of the pressurized water. The water discharged from the washing, the wastewater, is conveyed to the static settling tank. In one of the two plants taken into consideration, the water flows by gravity through an aerial pipeline. In the other, an underground solution is preferred, with a collecting pit at the base of the settling tank. A non-toxic and biologically degradable flocculating substance is added to the wastewater while flowing to the settling tank. These images show the flocculation process reproduced in the TecnoIdea Impianti laboratories. The same process takes place inside the settling tank installed in the plant. The suspended particles are agglomerated and become sludge that, due to gravity, thickens at the center of the settling tank before settling down on the bottom of its cone. At the top edges of the settling tank, the water overflows, already perfectly cleared, transparent, and ready to be reused in the washing facility. In this case too, the technology chosen is different in the two facilities taken into consideration. In the former plant, the cleared water is conveyed into a collecting basin. In the latter, into a classic piezometric stocking tank. The flocculation process is constantly monitored through the sampling of the wastewater in the center of the settling tank. The system, by means of the reading of an infrared beam, is able to autonomously monitor the value of a correct flocculation by increasing or decreasing the quantity of flocculant added to the wastewater. The quantity of water recovered by the settling tank is in the order of 95% of that introduced into the aggregate washing plant. The sludge falls down by gravity from the settling tank cone into the sludge collecting tank, where a mixer provides the correct homogeneity. The TecnoIdea Impianti filter presses have been designed to do away with the traditional sludge disposal systems that involve an enormous expense of both time and transport. A non-deformable frame guarantees the filter press unequaled solidity. The machine, designed to work under any atmospheric conditions, is subjected to a particular rust-proofing treatment that involves a cycle of sandblasting down to bare metal, the application of a layer of pure zinc, and finally a careful bicomponent epoxy painting process. Particularly robust and reliable pumps transfer the sludge inside the plant. Abre Pompe supply a dedicated range of top quality and easy to maintain centrifugal pumps equipped with anti-abrasive rubber lining. With the plates closed, the liquid sludge is pumped from the collecting tank into the filtering chambers. The solid sludge particles are kept by the weft of the filtering cloth, whilst the water passes through the filtering fabric and flows out through the plate holes. Normally, a cake dehydration percentage ranging between 70 and 90% can be achieved. With the opening of the plates, the sludge cakes detach from the cloth and fall into the storage area below. The plates are shaken automatically to remove any sludge residue from the filtering cloth. An automatic washing cycle can also be performed. The by now dehydrated and compact sludge is ready to be collected for transport, for sale, or possible disposal in rubbish dumps. The secret behind the success of TecnoIdea Impianti installations is the customization. It is the response to the individual production needs that makes every TecnoIdea Impianti system conceptually unique. TecnoIdea Impianti installations are in fact simple structures with both high yield and ease of operation. Environmental protection has become a priority, not only in the more industrialized countries, but also where there has been a lack of a concrete territorial protection policy. And in this sense, TecnoIdea Impianti places itself in the front line of competing companies. By attending the leading exhibitions and using the most modern means of communication, TecnoIdea Impianti, one of the main companies in its sector at the service of ecology and the environment, can face the future with expertise and self-belief.